Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another edition of Adventure Athlete. Today is day 2 of my expedition truck build. Didn't get as far as I wanted to get yesterday. Got looking underneath the truck, and the factory springs kind of have a nice S to them. So I thought maybe it'd be a better idea to get my Deaver springs on order. So I've been working on that this morning, trying to get through that process. And to me, it just seems like a lot of people out there. I dealt with 3 different vendors yesterday, not just on springs, but all around on different things. And no one wants to do anything custom anymore. Deaver Spring didn't have a problem building my springs. Said he did not know if he was going to be able to get a 4-inch lift and everything that I wanted. But I think we're good now and squared away. I got things written all out for him, my dimensions. So I'm moving the center pin back 1 inch and making the spring 3 inches longer. So I'll be moving the shackles back in the back. Yesterday I also worked on getting the truck disassembled, ordering more parts. So I'll be covering the parts as they come in. Basically, this is what I have here that I've kind of pulled off, and this is some of the stuff that's come in. So my 2000 watt inverter, I have the LED lights for the outside. I'm going to put 2 of these on each side of it. I got the charge controller off, lights, and I got my Blue Sea Systems fuse block. That being said, I still have to get the solar off, the tent, and the rack, the custom rack. Sorry, I'm a little slow. I'm moving fast, and I just keep getting bogged down with these the vendors and everything. Basically, yesterday I worked on getting the boxes and everything out that we see here in the background, and starting on the complete disassembly. The bed's disappearing tomorrow. I just recovering. I sold the bed, the axles, the factory side steps that I don't need. So I'll load up all that stuff and take care of that tomorrow about 5 o'clock. That's pretty much updates right now. I gotta say, I'm not in a wonderful mood about all of this. I wanted to move faster. We're talking 5 to 6 weeks now to get my springs. That's gonna slow down my build portion. I'm ready to start going up with the camper. That'll probably start Thursday. I also discovered that the factory exhaust that I had removed and put on an aftermarket unit. See if we can get down here in the fender well. You can see right here the exhaust, and it's blowing right down on the axle, and it burnt some of my brake lines and stuff. So I'll have to get in there, take care of that, and change some of the routing on that. But I did order some Fox 3-inch hydraulic bump stops for it yesterday. So those should be in maybe Thursday or Friday. Other than that, I'm going to keep pushing on and stay in good spirits and try to live my life with passion and fullest every day. So sorry there's not more information or more things going on today, but if you like this type of thing and you want to follow the build, once again, I said I'll do a video every day that I build on the truck, and this is day 2. I'm Tim Roble. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will catch you here next time.